Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's been a good while since I did anything with car audio, touch car audio. I made a dabble here and there, but nothing to the extreme. So today I'm going to unbox the CT Sounds Thermo 12. Now, this ain't the shallow Thermo 12. This is the big Thermo 12. This one is 15. It's rated as 1500 RMS, and it's supposed to be the SPL version. So I guess it's a series above the Meso, if I'm saying it right. So as of now, I got the CT Sounds CT1x12 box to put it in. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the box. I kind of just open it, kind of have this so I can make it easier to take out the box. So I got all the little pamphlet decals and stuff that comes in there. The specs on a thermo. Wiring and all that, but I'm only running one. I'm only running one of my I got a Ford Taurus show, so I'm gonna put it in there. I'm not doing nothing crazy as the stuff I used to have and run. So yeah. So sorry about that. I had to stop recording for a second, but I ended up taking it out the box during that time. And this here is the Thermo 12, and this thing is about 50 pounds. This thing is a beast. So see, you got the push terminals, stitched tinsel leads, got some venting there. Oh yeah, so definitely can't wait to hook this up. I haven't seen any unboxing videos of this. This will be the first one. If so far me searching YouTube, I haven't seen any. So, but I think this 112 should get down pretty good. Then as far as this CT Sounds sub box, I'm about to take this out the box. So give me 1 minute and I'm about to take this out. So now I got that out the box. So I see here, and she push speaker terminals. Yes, the CT sounds like it's embroidered, stitched in here. So I think this box is around 1.7 to 2 cubes gross. So hopefully, let's see if this thing fits. Hold on. So this thing actually does fit in here. So hopefully within the next week I will get this wired up along with my other stuff. I got the CT Sounds 150.4 and the 2000.1 amp. So that's gonna be running my insides on and running the sub on. But this is it for the most part. So hopefully I get to do a video with you guys hearing it playing, and I can give my honest opinion on it. So, but I'm a big sundown fan or whatever you call it, but I said I want to do something different because I'm not doing the builds and stuff that I normally usually would do. I think this would be a good start for me really to get back in car audio. So also another thing I see about this box, that I see they got the wire connected to it. So I just seen some videos where people complain that, you know, the wires wasn't too long or it wouldn't come out the box, but on this one the wire comes out pretty decent length, so I think that's pretty good. So but yep, can't wait to run it, can't wait for y'all to hear it. And like I said, I would give my honest review, honest opinion. Let's see if there's a big difference between this and the Meso subwoofer. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.